शॉकिंगली पर्ल विपुरी केस में काफी सारी दलीलें सामने आई हैं। काफी सारे लोगों ने काफी कुछ कहा है पर्ल के बारे में, उनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में, उनके नेचर के बारे में, यहाँ तक कि केस के रिगार्ड में भी सब ने बहुत कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दी हैं। लेकिन एक स्टेटमेंट जिसने वाकई में हम सबको शॉक कर दिया और यहाँ तक कि सबकी आंखें खोल डाली हैं, तो वो होंगी पर्ल विपुरी की को स्टार दिव्या खोसला के द्वारा किए गए स्टेटमेंट पर। जी हाँ दोस्तों, दिव्या खोसला जो कि पर्ल के साथ एक गाने में काम कर चुकी हैं, उन्होंने जस्ट रिसेंटली एक पोस्ट के जरिए इस पूरे केस को अपने नजरिए से डिकोड करने की कोशिश करी है। दिव्या ने विक्टिम के माँ बाप और विक्टिम की पूरी कहानी अपने पोस्ट के जरिए फैंस एंड ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करी है और साथ ही साथ बहुत सारे लूपहोल्स पे सवाल भी उठाए हैं, ऐसे कि जिनको देखकर आप वाकई में सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाएंगे कि सही कौन और गलत कौन है। After Ekta Kapoor, Divya Khosla Kumar has now come in support of actor Pearl Vipuri. Puri was arrested on Friday, that is June 4th, by Balav police after 5-year-old girl and her family filed a complaint against him for allegedly molesting and raping her around 2 years ago. दिव्या ने ना ही सिर्फ पर्ल की तरफ अपना सपोर्ट एक्सटेंड किया, लेकिन बहुत ही ज्यादा शॉकिंग खुलासे और रेवलेशंस करती हुई नजर आई हैं। Sharing a picture of the parents of the victim, she shamed the father for mentally playing with his own daughter and using her for personal gains. Shockingly and shameful, दिव्या captioned the post. दिव्या ने अपने लॉन्ग पोस्ट में मेंशन करते हुए लिखा, Let me introduce them to you. This man is Anil Donde and this woman is an actress Ekta Sharma. Anil Donde is the man who has put the charge on Pearl Vipuri that he molested his 5-year-old daughter on the sets of the serial Bepana Pyar produced by Balaji Telefilms 2 years ago. Anil and Ekta have been undergoing a custody battle for their daughter, and since last 2 years, the daughter has been with Anil cause he has put a charge on Ekta, claiming that since she's an actress and she took the daughter on her sets where the lead actor molested her, the daughter is unsafe with her own mother. I feel Anil Donde should be given a Filmfare Award for the best screenplay for this plot. इसी के बाद उन्होंने अनिल को स्लैम करते हुए लिखा, Finishing off Pearl's life and career. She further wrote and mentioned, Now the police have arrested Pearl and I want to know why the police did not really arrest him in 2019 when the real case was actually filed. Well, the reason is that in the FIR filed, it was mentioned that the child was molested when she was with the mother. Pearl's name was nowhere mentioned in the FIR. And I have read the FIR myself and Pearl's mother forwarded to me yesterday when she called me for help. Ekta Sharma in her calls with Ekta Kapoor clearly says that her husband is a psychotic person who has mentally and physically abused her and she's got several proofs for the same. She clears the case by saying that Pearl is innocent and nothing has happened on the sets as such. इसी के आगे दिव्या कंटिन्यू करते हुए कहती हैं, The child's maid also went with her on the sets and also said the same to the police. The child was happy and playing. Ekta also took her to some friend's house post the shoot, and there also the child was completely happy. Please note that the child is 5-year-old. 10 days later, the father abducted the child after school and filed a case of physical abuse. Still, neither the child nor the father mentioned Pearl's name. Fast forwarded to 2 years later today, 2021, when the child is now 7 years old. She recognizes the accused. For a second, if we really assume that such a thing happened with a poor baby, and I want to know at such a tender age, will the baby really remember the person's name and recognize him? It's sad for this little girl for the kind of parents she has been blessed with. I only want to send love her way. Ekta Sharma in her phone call with Ekta Kapoor further says that the child has been tutored by the father. What is extremely disturbing is that a movement like Me Too is also being misused here. The poor child who is being mentally played by her own father. It is a sad state of affairs of Pearl, who had a bright future ahead of him. Even before starting his career properly, his reputation has gone for a complete toss. This is a complete big blow for him. Will anyone in the industry actually want to work with him? दिव्या ने अपने इस पूरे पोस्ट को, अपनी इस लॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट को, इस कन्फेशन को कंक्लूड करते हुए लिखा, Shameful. Shame on Anil Donde for using his own child for his gains and finishing off another person's life and career. Shame on Ekta Sharma for not coming out in media and speaking the truth. Do you think there exists no karma? Shame on the so-called media handles who only run for their own sake and laugh at the other miseries. Shame on humanity. I request all of you to come forward and support Pearl with the hashtag #IStandWithPearl and now let this case die down till the father or the mother themselves do not come out in media and tell the entire truth. How can we let a man's life and future get spoiled like this? The reason why so many of Pearl's co-stars, co-actors and actresses are supporting him is because I am supporting him is because I myself have worked with him. and I've seen him at a close quarters on how this young man respects women. There were women on the sets in all departments. Costume, choreography, assistant, even our director was a woman. Did anyone ever feel this guy is a pervert? No. He's a man with good moral values. May the truth win. And may Pearl not lose his precious years in proving himself innocent. आपको बता देते हैं एक्टर पर्ल वी पुरी, who is quite known for TV shows like Nagin 3 and Bepana Pyar, was unfortunately arrested by the police and now is in judicial custody until June 18th. Pearl has got a massive support from the industry who has taken to social media to defend the actor by their own self. Prominent faces of the television industry like Ekta Kapoor, Anita Sindani, Crystal D'Souza, Amir Ali, Ali Goni, Karishma Tanna, Divya Khosla Kumar and a lot many others have shared posts in favor and in support of Pearl V. Puri, demanding justice for him. वेल तो आने वाला वक्त बताएगा कि क्या वाकई में विक्टिम के पेरेंट्स सामने आकर करेंगे मीडिया में खुलासा या नहीं. क्या ये केस डाई डाउन हो जाएगा या फिर एज दिव्या सेड, Pearl will actually end up losing a precious year and actually this will be a blot on the career that he has created and has worked really hard to reach where he is today. आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा आप इस शॉकिंग कन्फेशन, इस रेवलेशन के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.